In 2010, FONZU L-FENEK, Fonso the rabbit, was introduced on the Maltese Islands. He was created by Dr. Suzanne Piscopo and her husband Michael as a mascot to promote healthy living among young children. The goal was to produce curricular material for primary school children, as well as activities having an edutainment character. Eventually, the vision for Fonso expanded to comprise healthy and sustainable living. He was also joined by his friends Lola Nanna Kola, the ladybird, Mijul Attus, the cat, and Benna al-Baqra, the cow. Fonso educational resources and activities focus on various topics to increase understanding, to foster positive attitudes, and to nurture practical skills. Fonso and his friends emphasize healthy eating, visit farms, fishing villages and farmers' markets, and even grow their own food. They also enjoy cooking, aiming to eat local, seasonal and traditional ingredients and dishes without wasting food. All the friends love to be surrounded by nature. They always keep the place clean when visiting and avoid harming other living things. They also practice reusing. The Fonso educational materials include students' workbooks and teachers' handbooks, recipe books, handouts and videos, presentations and board games. Fonso and his friends all have their own educational songs, and there is also a song celebrating vegetables and fruits. The songs are extremely popular. To date, the Fonso song has been played over 1.5 million times on YouTube alone. Fonso and his friends are frequently invited to schools or public events to provide education in a fun way. They have appeared at eco-fests, science days, animal awareness days, and agricultural fairs, to name a few. At these events, the children participate actively through Q&A and song and dance. Indeed, Fonso is a very well-loved character and has become ingrained in popular culture.